Shalom, Pasadenans, and all my friends everywhere. It is I, your friendly neighborhood Rabbi John Carrier, and I'm delighted that you've joined us for this day number 5 of the Elul Daily. In this Hebrew month of Elul, leading up to the high holy days of Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, we are taking advantage of this tradition of Heshbon Hanefesh, or looking inward for some spiritual accounting, if you will. This means taking stock of our deeds and intentions over the last year, taking a look at where we could have done better, acknowledging where we did pretty well, and making a plan for the future. If you're enjoying these videos so far, make sure you like this video on Facebook or subscribe to us on YouTube so you don't miss a single one. And as I ask these questions of the day, I highly encourage you to stop and think of an answer before you go do anything else. Don't be like, I'm going to listen to that answer, I'm going to go do the dishes or something, and then maybe I'll forget what I was doing, and next thing you know, boom, it's Passover. And once you think of the right answer for you, I highly encourage you to write that answer down, maybe in a journal, maybe post it on Facebook or in the YouTube comments to this video, or if you're subscribed to the email series, you could just reply back that email back to me. Love to read your answer. But you could also keep these totally to yourself. Talking of which, what's the question of the day, John? I'm glad you asked. All this week we're talking about responsibility to yourself as we're doing our spiritual accounting. I've asked you how you're nurturing your physical health, your emotional and mental health. Today I'd like to ask you how you are nurturing your financial health. How are you doing with stewarding the resources that you have access to take care of yourself, to take care of others, just to sustain your life? And I know when we get into finances, this can be a super personal question, so feel free to keep this to yourself, but I do highly encourage you to write it down. And I also want to acknowledge that, like in other ways, this year has been a real challenge on some people's finances. There have been business downturns, there's been job loss. I know some people have done a little bit of impulse buying online to make up for the fact that I can't see my friends as much as I'd like to. Some people named Rabbi John Carrier, that is. But I want to say this is not the time to judge what you've done or judge what I've done. It's the time to acknowledge. It's the time to notice. It's the time to record those things where you could have done better, or even record the things where you feel like you made good decisions. Let's record the victories too. And if you feel like there's room for improvement, you can better make a plan for the year to come. Is it time to finally make a budget for you and your family? Is it time to enlist the help of a financial professional to help you plan your savings and investments if you're able to do that? Again, these questions aren't designed to judge you, to compare you to anybody else. It's just a chance to check in. And as we've talked about your physical, your emotional, your career health, let's talk about how you are healthfully managing your resources. So I want you to think about this for a bit, write your answer down. You can email it to me if you like to. You can put it on Facebook if you like to, but you don't have to. I just want you to think about it and come up with an answer that works for you. Once again, if you like these videos, make sure you like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like to watch these on YouTube so you won't miss a single one. Nobody likes missing out, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow on day number 6. Peace.